Hello guys, the Pug Gamer here. I just had to restart this. I restarted it a bunch of times. One of them was a live stream. Someone saw it. They just came off of a vacation. Shout out to them.
Wait, did they?
Yeah.
Did they say that in a vacation?
Yeah, they said I just got off vacation, and I said to them, well, I hope you had a good vacation. No, they didn't say Florida, they just said vacation.
They said I just came back from Florida. What is it? Yeah. They subscribed the first second I uploaded that video. Oh, and they said they saw a shark.
I remember a guy that used to watch all my videos. Oh my god. I'm giving him a shout out right now. I don't know if this is actually his real channel name, but this is his Roblox name. Okay, I can't remember it, but I think it's Tampa and Cool Guy. Oh yeah! Oh Granny! Speaking of Granny, I actually escaped Granny house 3 times. Yeah, it's so hard. A jackass. What? No, it's an actual game.
Oh.
Oh, she's back at our house. Oh, guys. My sister was a huge part of, what does it say? No motorized vehicles by order of HRM. Look at that rest. Look at that rest.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Something hit my rollerblade. Something hit my rollerblade. Oh my god!
Yeah, it's like a freaking freak.
Oh my god. Oh, that's not even fair. Yeah. Crud! Oh my god. Crud.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm never ever going back on this road again with rollerblades.
Yeah, that was kind of a dumb idea.
I'm going back.
All because of these stupid rocks.
You know what? It was fine going down. Just frick rocks and rollerblades. Help! Oh my god! I'm literally lifting my feet. Remember your old scooter? Oh my god, let's search for it. And your airplane, but I know your airplane was devoured somehow. Yeah, you took it back. I don't know where though. I wasn't with you. My frick, yo!
The stupid hill!
Okay, I'm never ever going on this again. I might, just might, incy bit, make part 3, but I doubt it. No, this is part 2. I believe. I don't know if you want to sub to this guy, but he quit YouTube. Epic YT.
Oh my god.
His Roblox name is Flaming Awesomeness. Also, go follow me on Roblox. I'm PugGamer767. Guys, subscribe and like this video if you want more videos like this. On my channel, we sometimes do unboxings. We do unboxings, we do dog videos, we do outside. I mean, outside rollerblading is a brand new series. Then now we do gaming. Oh my god! There's a friggin' what the? No, I'm not even laughing.
That's not funny. That is freaking scary, guys.
Oh my god!
Guys, that's not funny.
I'm going.
Don't go around.
Oh my god. That's not even funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's literally coming towards us. Dude, help. Probably because he knows him. That's not even funny. It's like,
What the hell?
it's like a monster truck. I see my sister.
Addie, don't go behind it. I'm serious.
No, that's serious. It's not even funny. It's scary. What would you do if a giant monster truck tractor came towards you? Oh my god, I see her.
Addie! Addie!
Run!
Addie! Side of the road!
Oh my god!
It was bad.
I'm getting this on tape.
Bro.
What the heck is this?
Is Addie alright? Let's go see.
Probably. Why is that so big?
Bro, what's going on?
Look. That's scary. Not even
What do you have? Oh.
My god.
They're getting it on YouTube.
Gave me a heart attack.
Yeah, it gave me a freaking heart attack.
Okay, that's not safe to go around, I can tell. Is Daddy carrying the green bin?
Bro, I'm gonna go. Holy, but it's in the ditch. That is huge.
It is in the ditch, boys.
It doesn't even care. It's just,
I don't even want to go near that.
it's crushing the ditch. It's freaking crushing the ditch.
Oh my god. Bro, I know who's making that house. It's one of our teachers. I'm naming this video Rollerblade Part 2 plus Giant Monster Truck, bro.
Yeah.
Do you see that? Just crushing everything. Dude, that thing's ginormous. Yo. Okay, no, that's cool though. Do you see that? It's actually lifting up. I think that's like a log lifter. I can't believe the one and only time I bring out my tablet and a giant log lifter comes. Holy cow. Look at this. Oh my god. We have to have internet. Okay guys, goodbye. Hope you subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, because that just, shut up. That just came the one time I brung out my camera. So goodbye. The video's ending very soon. Goodbye.